Yan, nandito na tayo, be. Bago pa umiyak si Baby D.
You're gonna get cherries too, okay, David?
Cherries.
Stop.
Picking, and you can eat the cherries too.
Wait, I got my puppy.
Maganda kung may, ano no, cherry tree kasi pipitas na lang. Ayun.
Are you going the right way?
According to the GPS, yes.
One more.
Ayun, ito.
Oh,
May mga bahay pala dun. Akala ko wala. Ayun, kanina. Oops. Nakakatakot dito mag-drive. Nag-give up na siguro ako dito mag-drive kung ako to. Ano eh. Going up. Jesus. Oh my God. I'm scared.
Yep, it should be this way. There we go.
Sabi ko kanina, ay nag-iba yung lugar. Yun pala, hindi yun, be. It's not that one, but this one. Dito na. Dito na tayo. Ganda dito, no? Ito yung nakaraan, be. You're going to eat cherries. You pick cherries. And now David is here. Okay, it's here.
It's the same place as last year.
Cherry trees.
Do you think that it's open?
Siya, be. Nakaka-relax. Hindi siya orange. Hindi yan orange, be, ha? Ano siya? Cherries. Let's pick some cherries. And there's rice field in here, be. Oh, ito yung, ganito yung gusto ko. Hindi kanyang kalaki. Ang laki niyan na garden. Parang ganito lang, oh. Para lang sa mga veggies. Ang ganda, be, oh. Meron silang farm ng rice. Sarap. Ano na tayo? Ay, hindi pa siya season. Wala pa masyadong red. Hanap na lang tayo, be. Ang cute ng ano nila sasakyan. Ang ganda ng ano ng ang ganda ng ano ng the weather is great. The wind is you feel so good in the wind. Feels good. Especially if there's like this tapos dun sa gilid niya may ocean, no? Grabe, perfect. Okay. Ano muna natin? Kaso wala. Ano to ngayon, be? Nandito tayo sa parang mountain or here in mountain. There's no ocean. Syempre rice field. Meron bang rice field na sa kabila may ocean? Meron sigurong ganun na province, no? Okay, let's turn it off and let's pick cherries. Baby David, you're a boss. You're a boss. This is our ate. Okay.
Okay, two adults.
Yes.
David.
280 plus. How old kid?
8, 7.
8 to 7. 8 to 7.
Ang dami.
900 to end. Yeah. So 1,000 to 800. 100 to 800. 4,000.
Hi! Si Hadasa, ang bilis sa cherries. You have to pick a red one. David, look! Isn't it amazing? He's looking. Look! Show him the cherries. Wow, he's looking. Come on, David. Please push him here, Hannah. So that he can see this cherry, oh. Isn't it amazing here? Look! Wow! You can see it. It's your first time to see cherry tree, David.
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Get it. Thank you.
Oh.
Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
Hi.
David, look. Is it fun? Is it fun? Baby and the
Try not to knock any
cherries.
off the trees.
Baby and the cherries. Cherries and the baby. Like it? You like the cherries, baby? Enjoy. Look at this. Let's pull it a little bit near you. Wow. Do you like it? Enjoy. Ang ganda, be, no? Video tayo, be. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Wow, did you eat it? Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try. Where's David? Hi. We're in the cherry place, David.
We're allowed to just spit the seed.
But
And the
and you're
stems.
going to eat, right?
Mhm.
Eat for 45 minutes. Did he said 45 minutes?
I think 14.
Later, let's ask if it's 45 minutes or 1 hour. There, I fixed it.
There's
Just for today. Hi, David. You like it? Those are cherries. He likes it. It's fun. Do you want to get it? Get it. Come on. Get it. Get it. Yay.
No.
He knows. He's smiling. Look at his face. He's smiling. Ang ganda ba? Wait lang. Where's the red ones? Hanap tayo ng red ones. So let's find the red ones. Imagine if you have two cherry trees in your yard. No? It's fun. It's fun.
Look how red this cherry is.
Hannah will eat again. Hannah's mukbang. Let's try. I will try. I'll get one. You can eat this. Dami ba, no? It's so many. It's fun. First one. That's right. Fun. Mm. Mm. Ang sarap. Be, hindi siya red. It's not red, but it's really good. Dali lang ah. Sana pala hindi ko na dinala yung hat ko. Wait lang. Let's get more. Hannah, wait lang ha. Hi, David! Let's show David we're eating it, but sana hindi siya maging malungkot. David, look oh! It can be eaten. Tataga siguro si David. Sabi niya, bakit nandito sila?
Just don't put it on him.
Oh my gosh, ano yun?
It's okay.
Look at this. Look. Mama will eat it. Look ah. Mama will eat it. Look. Look. See? Eat. Ah. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Smile. Smile. Oh, you're so cute. Ang saya dito, be? Red one is special. This tree is very, very, very beautiful, be. It's a different variety, no? Ang ganda niya, be. Oh. Sa kuwaan ng video ni David, ihaharap natin si David. Let's put him in front. Nagdala pa kasi ako nito. Ang hirap tuloy bit-bitin, be. This is the farm. I'll take a video, ha? Ganyan. Ito na lang. Andiyan si David nakaharap. Yan. Kahit isa, dalawa lang nito or isa lang, no? Maganda meron kang ganyang puno. Kahit nga apple tree, it's fun to have trees. First, kasi I'm getting it. This is so red, bet. Look, look. So red, right? I'm going to get this one because this is so big. Wow, it's fun. Alam mo, maganda to pang thumbnail. So, ibababa ko siya. Thumbnail tayo. Wait lang. Cherries here are beautiful. Sobrang pula niya, be. Talagang, ano, ang ganda-ganda niya kaysa dun sa iba. Masyadong mapush out. Diba? Eh, baka ito yung, ano, older one. Ay, let's get one. Let's get one.
Look how red these cherries are.
Oh, show beautiful friends. Oops. Beautiful friends. Show yours. Where's yours? Get one. Let's eat together. Hana, let's get, wait lang. Ang hirap.
These cherries are delicious.
Oh my gosh. Hana, just hold this. Hindi ko. Oh, let's get that one. Kawawa. Just here. Hold this one. This.
What?
Yan, yan, yan. Ay.
Got a whole leaf.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's eat cherries. This is so fun. It's so many. Look, babe. This is not so sweet. Even if it's so red, it's not so sweet, Hannah. Maybe we'll try the other tree. Even if it's not red. Hi, David. Is it fun? Smile. Smile. You like it here? May nahulog kay David. Sana pag makakain na siya, if only he can eat already. Let's have mukbang. David is so cute. Asan na ba yung milk ni David? I'm going to get his milk. You forgot his milk? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have some more. It's fine.
Whoa. 3 cherries.
Yeah.
Get 2.
Timing, be. Nagligpit ako ng nails. Maganda rin. Kasi yung cutics ko is tanggal na siya. So, ito na lang. Kasi hindi natatanggal. Beautiful friends, let's eat. Try this. It's so red. But it's not so sweet, no? Maybe the other parts are...
I like this one.
Yeah, you like that one? Yeah, I knew eh. Yellow ones are sweeter. So, ito palang mas sweet, be. So, dito tayo. We can judge the book by its cover talaga, diba? We can judge the book by its cover. Okay, let's get the yellow. Try it. Ay, ang ganda, be. Sana mayroon. Ang saya talaga. Tapos may, ano ka, kahit sa atin sa Pinas, may santol ka. If you have santol tree or mango tree. In Philippines, banana tree. Kahit, and sa US kasi, ano, apple tree, cherry trees. Some places have orange tree. Cherry. Tapos yung mga berries. At saka, masarap sana may lemon. Tsaka lime. Hi, enjoy. Mm. Need help? Kakadasa akong kumuha ng cherries. Yummy. Let's eat. Sobrang dami niya. It's so fun. Imagine if you have orange farm. When I was younger, 21 years old, I have coworkers. I was working in Taiwan, be, and there was orange farm. The very first tree that I saw, of course, it's in Philippines, mango farm, mango tree, santol or cotton fruit, 'di ba? Cotton tree, santol sa atin sa Philippines. But in Taiwan, it was orange. Sa orange, tuwang-tuwa ako, be. Ayan, bibigay si tatay. I gave Hannah. Is that different? Let's try it.
Try one.
Where is this from? He gave... Maybe this is a different one. Hannah, can we see that one? That's big one. It's different.
I don't know what.
Sure. Before he cries. Okay. Hi, David is here. Hi.
Just look. They must
He will be bad mood if he will not be held. So, David, these are cherries. I will dip it here. Here, cherries. Peach treat ba, debe? Naku, sa Pinas maganda, may mango tree, no? Lanzones, star apple. Ano nga yung isa ba? Yung atis. Masarap din ang atis. David! Here. This is many. Like, parang ano, plant people. Hi, Hannah. Enjoy.
Friends, and then a big four-leaf clover with Taiwan.
Ay, ang ganda dyan, be. Oh.
Beautiful friends, let's pick cherries.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Mhm.
Yeah.
You might think that the dark red ones are the best, but the yellow ones are the best.
It's good. Ang dami, be, oh. I love peach. I love cherries too. Apples also. Tsaka, grapes. Masarap ang grapes, be, no? But my most favorite is the Philippine green mango and yellow
They also
mango.
have pears over there,
They have pears.
Mhm.
And also,
but they're not ripe.
the cotton fruit of Philippines, lanzones. Sinabi na lahat ng trees. It's a blessing. Life is a blessing, even if it's rice field or just a simple tree or any tree that doesn't have fruit, right? We have to just be cheerful. Right? David, we have to be cheerful. Bago pa maubos yung time, be, I'm going to get try. Last one. Can I say? Ay, so sweet naman ng nanay, nagbigay si Lola. Ito kay Lola, be, kasi nagbigay siya ng libreng. Ano yun? Where's that, cherry? It's at the back of the car. Bigay natin to. Thank you! Wow! Ang ganda, be. Oh. Sana meron pa akong fan doon ng Philippines. Kasi sa susunod nga, if I visit Philippines, I'm going to buy more fan. Yung green maganda. Tsaka yung red. Yung green kasi nature siya, diba, be? She gave me this. It's so sweet. Kasi, binigyan ko siya ng sabi ko kasi last year it said I'm going to bring food, like example pansit, diba? Nalimutan ko, I forgot. Binigyan niya ako ng nalimutan ko, I forgot. So I just gave my mirror, the cute mirror, tsaka yung fan, tapos yung pamaypay natin from Philippines. It says Philippines fan, it's green. Then she stopped us Tapos binigyan niya, ito to ba yung ano niya. Number 6. Yeah. Tapos ito, cherries. Ayan. Ang dami niyang ano, no? Trees. Grabe, super dami. Grabe, be. So sweet, be. Ayan. Ang name niya pala is Satomi. Satomi Orchard. Sa kanya yun. Ang sipag ni nanay magtanim, no? Imagine niyo, be, nagtanim lang siya.
Well, yeah,
She
but last
planted
time-
those cherries and then now she has this farm,
We
di
went
ba?
on a
Kaya ako, be,
Saturday.
magtatanim talaga ako sa USB. Dalawa siguro or isa.
A lot of parents are working
Tsaka,
on Friday.
Apple. Di ba? Para hindi sayang yung ano natin, years. It's so sweet, be. I tried it already. Let's enjoy. This is so beautiful. Look, be. Show you.
Looks like there's a house
Ganda, no?
there too.
Let's eat. Dessert for refreshment. Is it so hot?
Yeah.
Mag-aano si Hanabe, palamig. Let's check what they have. If they have drink or if they have ice cream, I think, because there's ice cream there. Oh, ang ganda nun, be. Oh, parang ano, market. Alam mo, magluluto siguro ng pansit, be, kasi nag-promise ako kala Lola last year. So magluluto ako, magda-drive dito. 45 minutes lang naman eh. Tsaka pwede ka naman kumain dito, 'di ba? Tara, let's go. Para ano? Uy, ang ganda na po. Ice cream. Hi. ₱230. Hanggang na ito pala ang price, 300 yen. And this is cherry ice cream, vanilla. Thank you. Ang ganda. It's pretty. Cute naman ang mga cakes niya, no? So, kaya nag-bake nito, babe. David is sleeping.
It's like,
Ano, copy natin to, ba yung ganitong design. Ang cute na. Oops, cherry on top. That's the cake. Desserts. Pretty. Say ka sa akin. Cute, be. Ang cute niya, grabe. Ganito pala yun. Pwede palang lagyan ng cherry yung ice cream. Ay, hindi ibig sabihin yung ganito, yung sa side. Cute, ang bait niya, be. Sabi niya, pwede mong kuhaan ng video ang lugar. Ang ganda dito, grabe. Hannah will try. Is it yummy? Because she's ano ba, naiinitan na. So, to be refreshed. I'm excited for him to be able to eat this already. Diba? When he's 2 years old, pwede na siya. Or 1 year old. Hi, baby! Try this. Smile! Smile! We love you. Let's put your hair like this, be. Let's take this. Yun. Good job. Siyang sirain, be, pero nasira na yung top. But it's okay. Let's try. Cute, be, no? The cherry ice cream. Okay, let's go. The place is this one, be. Wow, ang ganda ng memories sa Japan, be, no? I'm going to miss Japan, be. Okay, done in Cherry Farm, be. Done. I already ate it. Hi! Is it fun? Grabe, be, ang ganda, oh. May mas maganda doon. Parang ganito. It's kind of like that, but it's more beautiful there, but I wasn't able to take a video. Oh, this one! Yeah. Maybe ano sila, parang subdivision sila ng ganyang houses, diba? Something like that. But anyway, kahit ano naman, maganda. Diba? Okay. Magpa-practice na ako din ng driving Monday. Mga July 1 yata. Hopefully, I'll be able to finish that one. But I will just be driving in their school to the grocery store. That's it. It's easy.